In this video, I'll show you how to generate 3D models from a single image using AI, no 3D skills needed. We're going to use Tripo AI to turn simple images into detailed 3D models. I'll walk you through a full practical demo step by step. First, open Tripo AI and go to the 3D generation section. Now I'll upload a simple image. This will be converted into a 3D model automatically. Now Tripo AI is generating the 3D model. This usually takes a few seconds depending on complexity. You can rotate the model, zoom in, and inspect details. This is fully AI-generated 3D output. You can export this model and use it for games, animation, or content creation. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more AI tools tutorials.